Today I'm going to show you how to use a prompt with an image to create a pretty cool cartoon that has a name with the cartoon. So let me just show you what it looks like. We have uploaded a picture of AI Dana. We have our prompt here, which I'm going to give to you, and you can see the output here. So it is basically just a cartoon version of Dana with her name in a pink bedroom. I will show you some other examples. So we have Elon Musk, and here is the output that we have of Elon, and it's him holding a sign that says Elon. He's not very happy about something. Maybe it says FSD. We have this AI model here that I've used in the past, and again, this one is just called AI model. I just thought it was kind of funny, and here is the output. So these are really easy to generate, and I'm going to show you. As usual, I'll have a link in the description below. You can go to the website. There is one on there called 3D Cartoon with Name. You can click this here to copy the prompt to a image generator of your choice. If you notice, this one was ChatGPT, this one was Gemini, so you can use different ones, whichever you like, and we can come back. We're going to upload an image. In this case, I have an image of myself, and you can modify the prompt to your liking, and you can read through it. It's not super complex, but anyway, we can hit submit, and this is going to generate a cool shot of me with my name. So we can see the output here using a photo of myself with my name and how it looks with me wearing jeans, a red top, and running shoes with my name. I think this looks pretty cool. We can save this image, we can bring it to a video generator like Julio AI, and we can use a prompt like making the man dance or basically whatever you want, and we can bring it to life. And while we're waiting for the video to generate, I want to remind you to click subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis. Yes, every single day I have a video about AI, so you can stay up to date with the latest and greatest AI that is out there. Right now, as we speak, I'm actually on vacation. I am in Japan, and tomorrow I have a really cool video coming out about how I saved money. So anyway, I thought this was a fun one. Let's see the video result. So you can see the result here. It is me dancing in my room, having the time of my life while my name is behind me. It's kind of fun, kind of quirky, kind of cool. So you too can create a 3D cartoon version of yourself with your name. Maybe you want to make it for someone else. Maybe you want to make this and attach it to like a birthday card or something. You can do that now. It's really easy. I made it as easy as possible for you. And if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis, as I mentioned. And don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of it. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on this one here. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.